Welcome or welcome back to another video of me recreating every single granny square from this granny square sourcebook. Today's video is this square. I have no idea how to say this word. Aegean Square. Aegean Square. Aegean Square. That square. It has a very pretty little star in the middle. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and my colors are right here. My birthday happened recently, so that was very exciting, but the thing is, I put everything away, including all my crochet stuff, and I'm not quite sure I remember what size hook I was using for this project, so I'm going with a size 4, hoping that's the size I was using previously. If not, that's okay, because that's what I'm doing. Oh wait, I used the wrong color. Oh shoot, I have to start over. I meant to go with a dark blue in the center. Ignore this. This is the right color. And it wasn't a mistake, like a crochet mistake. It was just a color mistake, so I don't really mind starting over. Now in this granny square, there's 2 colors in the star, but you can barely tell the difference in the picture, honestly, and I don't really want to make 2 colors in the star. I'm just going to keep it this color, and then the exterior circle can be the light blue, and then the exterior can be the white-ish color. Yeah, that's the plan. What am I supposed to do? I think I've got it. Of course, I'm not sure, because I'm never quite sure what I'm doing when I'm following these patterns. Let's see if this works. I see here that there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 3 stitch, 6 times, this is hard, 6 times 3 stitches? No, chains, okay, 6 times 3 chains, okay, and that's what I have on my hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so I think that's okay, and I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, let's see, does this work? I did these chains, I did this, I did that, I did this, I did that, I did this, but I didn't do this one. That one wasn't supposed to be tied here, I think. No, this isn't working, crap. Okay, wait. This one is that right here. So then those 3 things is this right here, those 3 things are those right there, those 3 things are those right there, those 3 things are here, those 3 things are there, and then, oh, okay, so I was right. So I chain 2, and then I attach it to this. Perfect. I had it right the first time, okay? And then I got confused. Totally fine. And now I'm at this row. I think I figured it out on my first try. Wait, did I? Oh, okay, I made a mistake, but I almost figured it out on my first try, and I've noticed the mistake immediately. Those would be points to my star. Why does it feel so holy, though? I still think it's what I'm supposed to do, though, so I guess I'll just accept the holiness of this square. How does this look? I think that's about right. I still think it's way holier than this one. Honestly, the more I'm looking at this and the more it's looking like a spider web. I'm not sure I like this star. Kind of wish it was fuller. Why does this look so full? Disappointed. I thought I would enjoy this more than I am. I mean, I'm enjoying myself, but I thought I would like the result more than anyway, I'm not done. Maybe I'll like it more later. Let's keep going. think that was it for the light blue, so I think I can snip it off. Join yarn D to a stitch located above a star point. Oh, okay. So that was what I was thinking. Good. Make your first stitch a standing stitch. Goody, good, good. Okay, I have a question. Maybe someone can help me. Can you really start by a treble crochet or a double crochet? Shouldn't you be starting with chains? Like, if I were to try, wouldn't it make it wrong? I'm gonna try now. Yeah, see, it's not just one stitch, it's two. So I never really understand how they want me to do that if I then start with a standing stitch. Just gonna keep doing what I do usually, which is chains. But if someone could enlighten me as to how I'm supposed to do this, that would be very helpful. Maybe someone could explain to me what a standing stitch is. Maybe I could Google it myself, but I'm not gonna. So yeah, if someone could explain it to me, that would be great. Okay, and the next one is a double. And if I'm looking, seems about right. Shoot, it almost worked. Why does this always happen? Oh, I know why. See how I put this in the next stitch, and I think I was supposed to put it in the same, in the same, in the same. So that way here, the space I'm missing would be there. So okay. I am not freaking out. It's fine. I'm just starting this over all the way to here. Okay, I think I got it. Good. That got me for a second. I was very scared. What next? It's just a bunch of single crochets. Okay, easy enough. So I can just sit back and I can single crochet to my heart's content. I think I'm done. There you go. Off the hook. Ta-da! Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. Here's what I like about this square. I like the single crochet edges because it's fuller. I don't like the middle part. I thought it would look neat, but now that it's actually done in real life, it looks like a spider web and I can't get over it. I will say it's a fairly easy granny square. Ta-da! I'm way too excited about this, but it was a birthday present, so I mean, yeah, I get to be excited about this. I can block my projects now. I don't know how to block things, but I'm sure it's fine. Okay, I know I'm also supposed to get this wet. I just wanted to put it in place and show you guys. That's so pretty. I mean, the block more than the granny square. The granny square is fine, okay? I just can't get over how much of a spider web this looks like, and it's just weird to me. But yeah. How did I do? This is what it was supposed to look like. This is what it looks like. Obviously, I made a mistake here because I have like these holes here and I do not here. Do I really mind? Not that much. Anyway, I'm still pretty happy about this. It didn't take that long. I'll try and write somewhere how long it took because it is an important aspect of granny square making. At least to me, I want to know when things take a really long time and when they don't. Do I recommend making this square? I mean, sure, it wasn't too hard and I did have fun. But I don't really know what can be done with such holy squares, which is the issue I'm having with this. Still pretty fun to make. Alright, well on that note, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time!